Ano ba yan? Indonesian ba yan? Ba't nag-English siya?
Yes,
Oh,
Indonesian.
Indonesian siya.
Hello bang. Assalamualaikum.
Halo Bang, Assalamualaikum.
Waalaikumsalam. Do you play Mobile Legend? Do you
Yes,
play?
I do.
What is your high rank?
Immortal.
Immortal. Do you have boyfriend? Ay ano? What is your best hero?
I don't have a boyfriend, and my favorite hero is Lilian.
Okay, I'm a single but do you have the duo? Do you have a friend like you want play with me and you have are you single ready to mingle rar? Ha?
I'm single.
Bang, gonna call you sayang because sayang in the Philippines like my friend like that.
Sayang yun?
Sayang.
Ah,
No,
Sayang.
sayang in Indonesia is my love.
you're my love.
Yeah.
Okay. Do you have IG?
I have
Ayun.
my IG. Wait, let me. You want my IG?
Yeah, I want your IG. Gonna call you baby. Ra. How old are you sayang?
I'm 24 years old this year.
Logi, mas tanda sa akin. Sige, okay lang. Masaya na,
Wala.
masaya na ako sa buhay ko. Mahalaga, nabigay ko naman ang boto ko. Meron siyang MVPW, ang tawag sa sasakyan na yun. BMB, baby? Ha?
BMW.
BBMW. Hindi Sara Duterte.
I have BMWs because I love.
In the Philippines, I have a e-bike.
Is it